Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about Rivian Care. And what exactly is Rivian Care? And we go from there, right? So let's take a look at it. So this is just recently posted about 3 hours ago from Club Rivian. So Rivian Care, it's going to start out in Texas. It's a new era of ownership, peace of mind. So big news for Rivian owners in the Lone Star State. Rivian is piloting a brand new ownership protection program called Rivian Care. And it could be a game changer for long-term vehicle confidence. So one of the things that a lot of EVs owners or potential EV owners, they're hesitant is because of the battery degradations and the cost repair. So this is something new that Rivian just implemented. And I think if it goes well, other EVs manufacturer will probably take a chapter out of this book. But I think this is not something new because Toyota already implemented this back in the days, like maybe what? Let's take a look. So Toyota Care was implemented into October 6, 2010. So that's like how many years? Like 15 years ago. Right, so it's not something new. So with the Toyota, it's a free service for 2 years. They schedule all the free maintenance, so you don't have to worry about for 2 years. But this is going to be a paid program for Rivian. So I'm not sure if Rivian got a book from Toyota, but I think this is a good thing because a lot of people, they want a peace of mind because spending money on the EV, well, now it's more affordable than about 3 years ago when I first bought the vehicle. But I think this will be a game changer. So it will be launched only in Texas first. Rivian Care introduced 2 optional plans designed to go beyond the traditional factory warranty. So partnering with industry heavyweight Assurance, Rivian is aiming to give its community added reassurance as the EVs age and rack up miles. Here's what Rivian Care brings to the table. Extended coverage with the vehicle service contract. So again, it doesn't state a whole lot of how much it is, right? But all we know, it's going to be as soon as before the factory warranty expired, you have to buy the extended warranty. Once your factory warranty runs out, this plan steps in. It's essentially an enhanced extended warranty that covers essential system, including the high voltage battery, drivetrain, key mechanical components, and even certain safety features. What sets it apart? It includes some wear and tear items from day one, offering broader protection and fewer unexpected repair bills. So that's something that we really want, right? Everyday defense with preferred vehicle protections. We all know the minor annoyances that come with daily driving: dings, windshield chips, and pothole-induced wheel damage. So all of these things, as a customer, not just EVs, we endure almost like not every day, but there's people that are gonna have like windshield cracked, and it costs anywhere from $300 up to $2,000, right, to repair. As even with the wheel damages as well too. So this plans handles exactly that. Paintless, dent repairs, tires and wheel fixes, and glass protection are all included, filling gaps the factory warranty doesn't. A smart move, especially if you act early. So Rivian recommends enrolling before your original warranty expires. Not only is it more cost effective, but it ensures seamless coverage without a lapse, ideal for those who plans to keep their R1T or R1S for the long haul. Currently, Rivian Care is exclusive to select Texas customers, but if the pilot goes smoothly, Rivian fans across the U.S. could see it roll out in other states. So yeah, I think this is something new, and I think this is great. So if Tesla Tesla does offer a warranty on it, but it's I think $2,500 or something, depending on the model of your vehicle, and you can actually do it through the app too. And I think they only cover like the high voltage battery and the motor and the drivetrain, but not this This one is covered more, but it doesn't give us any more other details as to how much and if there's a limit on how long we can buy it. But it's something good. So they're piloting it. So hopefully this will give more potential customers a peace of mind, because even now, before that, before buying the vehicle, I was thinking how much I've been reading, doing research, and it's saying somewhere from $15,000 to all the way to $20,000 to replace the high voltage battery. And so I think after that time, like 7 or 8 years, I don't think my vehicle is going to be valued at that high. Currently, Tesla only offering my vehicle only 20,000 miles, 2023, Tesla Model Y, red color, and only $24,000. And I think they say something about a loyal customer, they give like another 2,000 or something on top. You know, I think, which is really low. I still owe a lot more money than that, like almost like 40,000 to be exact. So I'm not planning to trade in the vehicle or anything like that at all. I plan to keep it, just like the article says, for the long term. So, but if this kind of like coverage fill up all the normal wear and tear, it would be great, because you never know when you're gonna need them. But yeah, this is something new. So I think Tesla or any other EVs will probably gonna be like, if it's successfully implemented and everything's good, I think it's going to be a nice program to have, and then other company will follow as well. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave in the comment below. And if you want, you can use if you're buy Tesla, you can always use my referral code, which is in the descriptions. Thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time.